morning. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to Good Fruit Gardens. So today I wanted to put some quick tip videos together for you because desert gardening can be tough. So I wanted to share with you some of the things that I've learned from my desert garden. And today's video, we're going to focus on seed time. So one of the things I've noticed for my summer garden is I need to start at least a month earlier than what the charts say. So when I am seeding my plants inside the house to get my seedlings started, I will start those the last week of January, February 1st at the latest. I'm going to leave those seedlings inside until they've developed 2 sets of leaves, and then I will transplant those outside. And that's typically by the last week of February or the first week of March at the latest. We don't get a lot of frost days here in Arizona, and if we do, they're not typically consecutive frost days. So there's really no reason for us to wait as long as other climates to plant our seedlings outside. Our temperatures are definitely warm enough by late February, early March to seed outside. Because remember, what we're dealing with here is extreme heat. So what we don't want to do is wait too long to plant our seedlings outside because they're going to have an immature root system. Any plant with an immature root system is not going to be able to withstand the scorching Arizona sun. Your plants will shrivel up and die, just like mine did last year. So in order to avoid that, get your plants out a little bit earlier. If you're direct sowing into the ground, definitely make sure you check that last frost date, like end of January, early February. You can direct sow in February in Arizona. Most of the time our weather is warm enough if you wait like that second, third week in February if you just want to direct sow outside. But for me, what I have noticed, I have a much greater success when I sow inside, leave the seedlings inside for several weeks, typically about 3 weeks, and then transplant those outside. My plants usually, my seedlings typically don't die off, and I have a much greater success rate with the growth, the overall growth of the plant. So same thing for your fall harvest. Again, our summers stay here longer than other climates. We typically don't have a true fall. We go straight from hot to somewhat cold. So when you are planning for your fall harvest, don't seed everything in August like some of the charts may say outside. Our sun is brutal here in August. August is one of our most hottest months. So when you're seeding for your fall harvest, seed inside the house in August. Leave your seedlings in there until the weather breaks a little bit in September, typically like mid-September. Then you can transplant those outside in your garden, and the weather will be cool enough during the day, and our temperatures don't get too low in the evenings for those seedlings to survive and make it through the fall months. So I hope this information has been helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Click that notification bell if you want to receive more quick tip videos like this, and I will see you next time. May your life and your garden produce good fruit. Bye.